I'm headed to the garage. Try to do some work on the car. Here we are. So I finally got off this weekend. We tried to get up to the garage this week, but that wasn't going to happen. So today's the day. So yeah, cruising up here in the Ram. Oh yeah, that's amino energy, which is a must for me in the mornings, and then I live on that shit. Arnold Palmer. Alright, almost there. Right there's another one of the projects I'm going to have going on. Not very important right now though, but that's a 69 Tornado W34. I do a walk around. I'll do a walk around on it some other time. It's really windy out there and wouldn't hear anything with the microphone. Alright, well, I'm here at the shop. Here's my olds. Right now, got the hood I've been working on. Now it's trunk lid time. So give me a second here. Here's my project for today. Trunk lid. Got some water in here, routed it out. So my plan ended up having to put a lot of skim on that to get it fairly flat. The sun must have really pounded on it. So anyway, here's this. You know, car's actually pretty rust-wise in pretty good shape. It's got rot in the typical places, quarters, a little bit in the trunk, not a whole lot. Hood was pretty solid. Doors fairly solid, except for the corners. Started working on this one a little bit. There. Yeah, this one's a little worse than the other one. Got some areas to cut out there. But anyway, so here's my project that I'm going to be filming today. And keep you guys updated. Try to get it, little by little. So here we go. Okay, so I get to the shop. And it's this. I guess we're having a severe tornado warning. Hopefully I don't get sucked away by a tornado. I'd rather work on my car today. But having, have my girlfriend find me on GPS with me flying through the air. Just luckily I have to find my phone turned on. So looking at this, trip on a fender here. So looking at this, we got the rot basically across the whole thing here. It's mainly on the lip area. The other side's pretty good. It's not rotted out at all on the top. So basically my plan here was, I guess the easiest thing I figured to do was to take this lip and maybe go a little past the bend here and cut this whole lip off the entire way down, and then drill out these spot welds, pop it off, try to save it. I'd like to reuse it because it's, the actual lip itself isn't rotted, so it's got all the cutouts for everything. I mean, I could make another one, but we'll see if we can use this one. And then once this lip is off, I'll have this undermetal right here exposed, and go ahead and cut out all this rot, get this out, all that. It's mainly on the ends, and weld in some new metal, get everything bent nice, like to keep this looking as original as possible, and so when you look under here you don't see that it's been repaired. I don't want to do any shoddy work here, so get this going and I'll keep you updated. Alright, starting to cut it away here. Right there's what we're dealing with. Basically cutting it to the crease, except for there. I'll have to cut further back. But it popped right out of the lip. A little bit of surface rust in here. Alright, here's where I stand so far. Cut all that out. Lips back on for the most part. Still have this section right here to finish up. And that one was fun. Getting all those curves and bends back the way they were. Well, so far, turned out pretty decent. All the rust is out of there. So my little goal for today is to get that finished up and then sand this whole thing. I'm going to get this and that in primer today. Alright, I got this all welded up. It's taking a little longer than I was hoping for. I'm going to go ahead and put a skim on it, some filler. Hopefully get it in primer, and then along that bead there, go ahead and put some factory sealer back on. It's definitely taking a little bit longer than I wanted, but it's turning out good though. So basically what I did is I cut the lip off, around in here, all the way down. Cut it off about a 1/16 of an inch, and then cut all this metal. This needs to be a big piece here. And then this is replaced. Most of this I cut back to right about here. Replace this all the way down. So yeah, let's get to it.